If you fall, then I fall domino.
It's the 4th of January, we're taking the tree down and cleared out a lot of cupboards, done a lot of like January cleanse. So this is the next thing to go down, and then we're officially back into like work mode.
To walk away from this place. Yeah, you know that's the word.
Happy New Year 2023. Every time we go to clear a cupboard and think we're done, then there's another one. So the house in 2023 has just been extremely messy. Tidy area, tidy house, tidy mind. That's the kind of like 2023 I'm going for. Also key thing that I'm taking away for from 2022 into 2023 that I need to do is balance. I need to balance everything out. So instead of working so much, I need to also remind myself that it is okay to like have time off and to play. So work hard and play hard. I need to kind of like figure out how to balance them both. Every new year it's all about fitness. Gonna like go to the gym, and I do that every year. Gonna go to the gym, and I always feel. So I was like, no, scrap that. I'm not going to the gym because it's not sustainable for me. I can't do the gym. So think of something else exercise wise that you might enjoy. We went to Cavan recently, that you might have seen it in a vlog or vlogmas that I did, that I don't know if I did well. But in that I went to Cavan Farnham Estate, and they had a swimming pool. And I was like, oh my goodness, I love swimming. So I'm going to try and take up swimming for myself, but also for the girls as well. And then also randomly this year, I really want to try horse riding. I want to just have a go at, like, it's always been like a little dream of mine. Although my friend did tell me it's not as easy as it looks. Like if you want to get into horse riding, it's not just simply sitting around trot trot trot. It's a lot more than that. So she said like it's very hard on your legs, and I mean like as in a lot of muscle strength in your legs, which I would need, but the jockeys make it look so easy. But then they are lighter than me as well. I mean, I got the height for a jockey, but not the weight for a jockey. I want to find exercise things that are sustainable and attainable in my life, that I actually enjoy, that I want to go to every week. Because with the gym, people say that they love it once they get into it. I don't. I am that person that does not matter how many times I have tried, I still go to the gym. I still hate it. Whenever I go to the gym, before I go to the gym, when I'm at the gym, after the gym, I hate it all. I just don't enjoy it. The only thing I feel good about is I might be able to eat a bit more because I burned off so many calories. So that's the goals leading into 2023. Also, I'm going for my hair extension appointment later because my hair extensions are out and my hair just feels so flat, and I've just naturally really fine hair, but I've grown it to a length that I kind of want to keep it, and I'm just going to put some more hair extensions in it to sort of thicken it up. Now for anybody asking, this here is my natural hair color without extensions and everything in. This is it. So I haven't dyed my hair in a year. Like all over, like I haven't dyed that in a year. I think I literally got like a couple, and I mean a couple, like maybe 6 little baby highlights in August time, or was that September? But that's the last kind of, and I think it was literally put like round, like maybe just a wee few strands here. But I've toned my hair to more of a strawberry blonde color recently, but the toner does wash out. So what you're seeing is basically most of that is probably my natural color. I'm trying to even see where the blonde, because there's very little of it left, where it might be. I can't find it. But yeah, this is my natural hair. The only thing that we don't like about it is it's too fine. So we're going to get hair extensions, not today, but we're just going to try and look for color this time, color swatches, and then yeah, just match it up to my original hair color. The thing about this hair color and why I've decided to grow the blonde out is because I want to just love my natural hair color and live in my natural hair color until I start seeing grays, until I need to fix the problem. But right now I'm like, I don't need to fix the problem, so I should really enjoy my natural hair color while I can, because I might not get a chance in years to come whenever I start going grey. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, and if you have been here before, thanks for coming back again. If you haven't and you like what you see, then don't forget to subscribe. I am over on Instagram, so you can check me out there. But let's get into a little haul, which basically the stuff that I did get was before Christmas. I am going to send bits of it back because I have tried on bits and pieces before, but I'm going to do what I usually do and try it on with you guys. So it's a Zara haul. I don't know how I feel about it, basically. So let's start off with the first bit. The first bit that I got was this blazer. I got this in the sale. Now, I wanted a grey blazer. I love the colour of the grey blazer. But as you will see whenever I try it on, it's got shoulder pads in it, but the quality is awful. Awful, awful, awful. This is the grey blazer. Like I said, a lovely colour. It's just too flimsy for the price of it. I just think it's overpriced. Like this was 99, £100, and I'm just like, it's nice, but it's not worth that much. Although I am falling in love with it a little bit. This is what's bad about it. I should just try it on and not showing you and then just send it back, because now I'm like, maybe I will keep it. Actually, do you know what? I don't like the length. I don't know how to describe it. It is so thin. It's a wool blazer. I thought it would have been a bit warmer, but it is so flimsy and thin. But it is kind of nice. A little bit. I'm just gonna send it back. If you're over on Instagram, you would have seen I got this for Christmas Day, thinking this was like a little cute number. I wanted something red. It was too much of a moment. I mean, maybe next year if I had like a really fancy party wedding type thing, I would wear it. Isn't this red dress a little bit of a moment, minus the socks? But isn't this rather stunning? Do you know that song? Lady, there's no point me even singing it because I sing like a cat, but Lady in Red, Lady in Red. I can't sing. Do you see how tone deaf I am? If any like weddings coming up now, like a winter wedding, January, February time would be perfect. I quite like it. I just have nowhere to wear it, unfortunately. Okay, this is really boring. This is, I didn't think this was on the website. This is what I hate about Zara. On the website, what I thought I was getting was literally a little top like this without the polo neck. And instead, I got a sweatshirt. And it's not big enough, and it's not like boxy enough for me, so it's going back. You need a plain old sweatshirt. We have this one, which is very average, very basic. This is a medium, remember? So I think I would have preferred like a size large or extra large. I prefer whenever I have my sweatshirts to be oversized. I love like a man sort of look. I love masculine look. And this is too petite for me, for the petite girl. So I actually haven't tried this one on. So we're going to see this together for the first time. In a size small, £45. Thought it was mink because on it like it feels so good. It does feel so good, but I'm just like, I don't think this is my color, and I thought it was like more of a minky shade. If it had been mink, I definitely would have kept it, but no, it is this sort of aubergine color, and I'm just feeling, I'm gonna like say it, I just feel like I'm looking at my granny right now. I feel like this is something my granny would wear and not really me, but like I haven't tried it on, so maybe I should try it on before I give my final verdict. The aubergine color is just not a me color. Even if I undo a few buttons and try and make it look a little bit more trendy, but still no, I've paired it with a pair of jeans here. No, still no. I mean, that looked a little bit like not as old-fashioned whenever it is opened up like that. Maybe even tucked in is a little bit better, but it's just, it's not giving me cool-esque vibes. I hate the color. But it's so cozy, and I mean this whenever I say this. It is so warm, it's so cozy. I would love to love it. And the buttons are so cute. If you do like the colour and you love kind of like aubergine, that just reminds me of moussaka. If anybody knows what that dish is, it's like an aubergine dish that my mum used to make all the time. And the colour of this just reminds me of that, and I hated moussaka, so like I hate aubergines. And that's probably why I'm repulsed by this colour. Pair of black trousers. These have a little slit at the bottom, flare detail. They got them in a size small, but I actually think I need to get an extra small in these, and they were $32.99. It's actually hilarious. These trousers with the slit. Remember I was saying that they were too big? Well, they were before Christmas, but they quite fit me now after Christmas. So who had all the pies? Me. I had all the pies. Because this is how I know. If anybody's like, no, you didn't put any weight on over Christmas, I did. The fact that these actually fit quite well, and beforehand I was like, oh, they're a bit gapey, I'll need this smaller size down, and now I'm like, actually maybe you should keep these ones unless you intend to go back to the size you were before Christmas. Okay, these two things I've already hung in my closet because I am keeping this piece de resistance is a midi skirt. I got an extra small, $32.99. It's a pinstripe grey skirt and it has a couple little pockets. It's very like workwear chic looking, but I thought it might be nice dressed into the summer. Okay, this is my skirt of absolute dreams. Like, it's a workwear vibes chic right now, but I am going to transform it into like summertime look. So yeah, I actually think it even looks, make sure bum look cute. Little belt hoops here, loops, belt loops. And yeah, it's a really nice tailored skirt. I'm gonna summer-esque it up and let you see what that looks like. Can we please take a moment to envisage what I envisage for this, for the summer? So I've got like cute little cage sandals on here, and then beach bag, and like I said, like that sort of like summer holidays kind of city break. Hold on till I show you further down. Okay, let me see. I am loving this skirt. Even I tried it on before Christmas, loved it. I'm trying it on now again, I love it even more. So that's a good sign, because sometimes I completely go off what I liked 2 weeks ago. So the fact I still like this and still envisage this for summer, I love it. Chef's kiss. Then this, I'm waiting for snow. This cozy little piece I actually wore to cabin in Farnham Estate. It was, I think it was only like £50, and it's basically a little sheep. Like, obviously it's not real sheep, but it's basically like a little sheep, and it's like a teddy kind of coat. I just think it'll be really nice if we get snow, which probably over here you probably get it in April. It's a jacket then I can wear next year again. It's not really going to go out of style, and it's kind of like a little crop jacket. I love it. I just think it's beautiful. Okay, I'm putting on my favorite jacket because it's so cozy and so snug. I love this jacket. Got like a little clasp here at the top. I don't think it has any more like clasps to kind of, oh it does. I didn't even realize that, but it's got a couple of clasps here. You can button it up just to sort of keep the wind from blowing all over the place. Like I said, look how cozy and snug that looks for like a lovely little wintry day. And then where are my earmuffs? Hold on. The cute factor, we just leveled this up with a little bit of cuteness. I love this. I wish I was going skiing or something, but then you probably wouldn't find me with all the white. So that wouldn't be a good idea, because me and skiing, I have a funny feeling if I ever go skiing. Basically years ago, after an ice skating incident, so I was on an ice skating rink, and as you do, people like go around, but some people don't know how to stop. I didn't really know how to stop. This guy definitely didn't know how to stop. He went bam into me about like what, 50 miles, what felt like 50 miles an hour. And I flew up into the air, fell flat on my ass, hit my tailbone that hard that everything went black. You know, like that shock. Everything went black and dizzy. I couldn't see anything. I had to be like lifted off the ice. Not in like a airplane or anything, but I just had to be lifted off the ice, set to the side, and I literally thought I was going to vomit from, I don't know whether it was from the pain, and then I could not sit my ass for like 2 weeks. So like, I love the idea of skiing, but I don't think I'll enjoy skiing. I haven't even been on an ice skating rink since that incident happened. Like, it traumatized me. But anyway, this is cute. This little piece, whoop, I want it as a party wear kind of thing. It does look really cute. I actually haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or not. Maybe I'll show you. £45 for this. It is kind of like a one wear, like once you've seen it on, you're not going to forget it. And I got that in a size extra small, but it is super stretchy. And let's try it on and let me know what you think. This is actually a really cute too. It's a little sort of crop top, although I don't like my belly that much. I like pull these jeans up a little bit just to hide that. Yeah, if I had any events or anything out, I should have worn this at Christmas time, but I didn't. I actually forgot how much I love these jeans. So these are Topshop. I know skinnies are coming back in, but I'm just not a fan of skinny trousers. So these are kind of more like slightly baggy, straight leg. Anyway, I love them. I think they're very flattering, high-waisted. They were from ASOS. If they're still there, I'll link them. I'm not long back home from an event. Is this on the right thing? Yes, it is. So I'm not long home from an event, and I was editing my YouTube video and I just saw that I had not done an ending. So this is going to be the ending, like rough and ready, just the way I usually am. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.